Bosch washer dryers make a solid effort to combine a washing machine and a dryer, saving valuable space. It's important that you use yours correctly to get good results. Start by identifying the parts of the appliance. At the top left is the detergent drawer. The detergent drawer has 3 chambers. The chamber on the right holds pre-wash detergent and must not be filled except in the cotton's pre-wash cycle. Fill the chamber on the left with powdered laundry detergent approved for use in front-load washing machines. To use a liquid detergent, lower the gate and follow the manufacturer's instructions for dosage. In the center of the drawer is a siphon for optional fabric softener. Do not fill the siphon past the maximum line or it will empty itself prematurely. The cycle selector is located at the left of the control panel. Turn the dial to select a cycle. A cycle guide is available in your owner's manual. A touchpad at the right of the control panel allows you to select extra options, like temperature and maximum spin speed. You can delay the end of the cycle to better use off-peak utility rates or have the machine run when you're away. Speed Perfect optimizes the cycle for smaller loads, and Eco Perfect for economy. Aqua Plus raises the water level and cycle time. Touching the dry button activates the dryer. Tap it further to switch between cupboard dry, extra dry, or timed 15 or 60-minute drying cycles. To use the machine, open the door. Load dry laundry in loose heaps. For drying cycles, load the tub no more than half the maximum volume. Close the door. Select a cycle. Choose any options. Touch the start button. To add an item in the middle of a cycle, touch the reload button. Wait for the door to unlock, add the item, and touch start.